y'all lucky I'm trying to put my wig on, because a bitch would be in her naked. Oh God, for real though. Shop Mocha's creation, period. Yeah. Y'all, I want to call myself. Oh yeah. Bitch running ass, you feel me? But anyway, yeah, I want to call her. See, I want to call my sis because, bro, she know I can do this shit just like I know I can do this shit. But she know I rather worry her and ask her 1,000,001 questions. As I should. Did it just fly?
Won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get it.